Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your crypto between two RedotPay accounts quickly and securely. Now, first of all, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up. This way you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now, first of all, you just have to simply sign in into your account or sign up inside RedotPay and complete your KYC. Now, when you are here on this particular page, you just have to simply tap on the option of more. Now, among these in the transactions, the fourth option would be of send. So you just have to simply tap on the option of send. Now it is going to ask you whether you want to send the money to the international transfer. So this is going to be the e-wallet or the bank account option. But since we want to send it to another RedotPay user, you need to simply select the second option over here. Now on this particular page, you just have to provide the RedotPay user's UID, their email address or their phone number. You can also scan the QR code by tapping on this particular scan option, and then you just have to simply press next. On the next page, you just have to enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to transfer and confirm your payment. Now once your payment is done, instantly the person or the user whose details you have added over here is going to receive the money, and you can also basically tap on this transaction history option or the record option in order to see all of the payments that you have made. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.